What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today we shall be doing some catfishing in a small river. It's very dirty. It's like chocolate milk, but hoping for some nice big catfish today. There is a lot of bullheads in there, those little yellow guys, but for the most part, it is a beautiful day. The sun is shining, and we're gonna be fishing under a bridge using worms on picker rigs, which is basically just a hook, two hooks and a sinker, and we're gonna be using worms as well. And yeah, you just dead stick them in the water and hope for a big nasty cat to come through and slurp it up. So guys, stick around, see what happens. Okay, so I made it to my spot. This is that picker rig I was talking about. Two hooks. You guys can see I got the worms on there, and just a 1.5 pound sinker. You just cast it out right on those pilings. Oh, damn, it's shallow. Okay. Set the rod down and we wait. Out of the sun. Nice shade. This is Casey Reno and Michael. They just spray painted their names on the pilings. There's more people, but they're over there.
Is there like more spots on
Yeah, you can go over there. I like this spot though. Nice and shady. All right, we'll get back to you guys when we get a fish. I think we got one, guys. Never mind. Are you even pointing it at me?
Yeah, I am. I'm watching it.
Okay. False alarm.
Oh.
Got all these little bluegills nibbling the bait. Stealing my worms. So yeah, we've been out here probably like 20 minutes now. And we're getting our bait stolen. Oh, where are these catfish at, man? At least it's a nice day. Got guys water skiing, kayaking. A couple guys were fishing for bass. They said they got one. Whew. Okay, we'll be back. Follow the leader, Mr. Canadian Goose. Oh damn, there's another family over there with babies. Those are good eating. So I'm sitting here patiently waiting for a bite, and I'm getting flamed by this girl. She's saying so much for getting content. Like, it's one thing to get, you know, skunked, but like to get like roasted too, like come on. But you guys can see the beautiful River Canard. Bunch of jet skiers, boaters, kayakers going by. You can see like little fish jumping, minnows and stuff. We actually have a friend here, Mr. Baby Shad, eating my expertly roasted bigs, seeds. What do you think? We're gonna get something today or what? She's very soft spoken and, you know, uses her indoor voice. But she said hopefully we get some dinner. She's actually pretty cool. She touches fish. You know, I don't know, do you touch worms too? She will touch the worm. She loves touching worms. But yeah. Oh, guys, wish me luck, man. It's not looking so good so far. That was a nice bite. Are you serious? That was such a hard hit. It was like...
Your thing shut off.
No, it's still on.
Oh.
those for sure.
She gone.
No. Probably just sitting there chewing on it.
Then reel it in.
No, you gotta be patient. Come on. I get that.
Well, yelling at it is not gonna happen.
Okay, so far nothing. But we are gonna head over to the other side of that bridge where we have to cross this bridge, which is kind of sketch, but we'll be doing it. Go for a little trek. We're just roasting out here. No bites. We're getting bites, but no fish. But yeah, stick around. Look at all the lures on this freaking electrical line. This would be actually an amazing bass spot. Sure about the bass stuff. Top water. Yeah. Well, Madison, you ready for this? Yeah. Yeah. We're gonna pack light. See you on the road. Okay. We are going on an adventure. Try to find some fish. The things you do for fish. So this here is a very dangerous road. But we're gonna have to stick to the sides. Okay. Come on, Madison. Stick by my side. All right, as you can see, doing some pretty sketchy stuff for these fish. But we're not getting no bites where we're at. Look at that turtle. See the turtle? Yeah. But yeah, hopefully we don't get run over. If we do, I loved you guys. Mom, I loved you. But yeah, this is the big River Canard and its beautiness. Huh? What'd you say?
Where'd it go?
Oh, he probably dipped under. But yeah. Should I just film this in case I get hit? Film the whole thing? Okay, I'll catch you guys on the other side. Guys, should I cannonball from here? Actually, Madison, you cannonball. Go.
No.
Okay, so we made it to the other side of it. We're gonna have to go around this path here. Hiking! We're hiking out here. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. How do you get around? Hurt your ass. As you can see, we're going for a little adventure here. Okay. This is gonna... Oh, I see the path. It's right there. I'm getting pricked by all types of plants and stuff. Oh, come on, wuss. Here we go. And that's the spot we're looking to go to. We better catch some fish here. This better not have been for nothing. All right, we were over there on that side. Now we're gonna try this side. Whoa! Pitching scared the shit out of me. I think this side's deeper. I think it's deeper. It's a lot more. Whoa! Put your keys in your car? Are you kidding me? You idiot!
Well, it's not locked though.
But it might lock. She left her keys in the car, man. This is what I deal with. Better not freaking get us stranded out here. At least you got a cousin out here that can help. True. Okay. We're getting a bite already. Why when the camera comes on they stop biting? I just got another bite. waiting for him to take it. We got him! We got him! Got him this time. Oh, how cute he is! He's so tiny.
Wow.
Little baby guy. But we didn't get skunked today. He's like croaking. Hear that? Little mini baby. Oh! Oh! No! No! Go find your mama. Here we go, guys. First fish of the day. Alright, let me do that again. You can turn it off. Press it hard.
Okay.
Alright. Let's get back out there. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Wow. So many fish down there. Oh, got him! Got him! We got him! Yay. What's with these babies? So cute. Little tiny baby channel cat. If I hold it up close to the camera, will it look bigger? I like the little specks it has on it. Hey. Get back out. Who am I wearing? Put another one on there. Just thread that worm on there. It's a big one. Oh, here's another bite. Got him! This is a bigger one. Got him. Ooh, this is a nicer one. Oh, two! Got two! Double header! Look at that. Damn! There's so many fish down there. Look at that, guys. Yeah, buddy. We own them. That's one.
Ew.
What, it got on? Shit on you? Point that at your shoe. Oh, that's great. She said, ew. She's a city girl, guys. All right. There's the other little baby. Okay.
Didn't bring the wipes.
You'll live. These city girls, man. Here, point at me. Okay. Another worm on here. And it will not take long to get another. Just stacked up in there. Grab it. Hurry.
I'm not ready
Reel in.
for this. How do I
Reel it in, reel it in, yeah! Yeah, there you go. Is he on there?
No.
Oh. Oh, man. Okay. Well, at least now you know how to do it. Nice. Okay. Professional. Look at her. Joke of the day. Catch a bigger fish than me. Probably will too, honestly. Oh man. Would this be your first fish? Yeah? Oh damn. History being made. Okay. Come on, Maddie. Catch some dinner. Otherwise, we'll have to eat hot dogs. She said, I'm okay with that. Don't move it. Sit there patiently and still as the statue. Yup. Any second now. Man, that bird almost flew into your line. Here, you can sit down on this rock. Right here. Unless you want to stand. You'd rather just stand. Yeah. Wait till you feel them. Just wait. Be patient. You'll take it. She's getting a bite. Yep, just wait. Go, okay, go. Reel in. You got him? You got him? Reel in. It's stuck? Oh. Oh shit, it is stuck. Hold on, stay there. Stay there. Let me see. Leave it to her to snag me. Okay. Cleaned! What did you do? Alright, whatever.
I told you it was stuck.
I told you he's stuck. Girls. It's always the guy's fault, isn't it? You should be putting your own worms on.
Why? When I have you to do it.
Yeah, okay. You're a big girl. She said, why when I have you to do it? Psh. Here you go, princess. Now hold that. And wait. Yeah, grab it, yeah! Grab it, did you get him? Yeah, you did! You got him! Get him! Here, I'll help you. I'll help you. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. You lost him!
Oh my god.
That was crazy though. Alright. That was sick. We just threw it out there too, damn. Okay. She said that was not nice. Alright. You didn't do anything wrong. Sometimes they just get off. That's okay. There's more fish in the sea. Okay, let's try again. She said it's pulling! I think you're getting another one. Come on, Madison. This is your moment. Oh. Oh. Let him eat. He's munching it. He's down there on it. Come on. Oh yeah. Eat it. It's pulling. You're good at this.
But I haven't caught a fish yet.
Patience, grasshopper. That was like a big one too. Do we had the rod bent? Oh, oh, wait. Way to be patient. Get him, get him.
Really?
Is he on? Oh, it's stuck again?
I don't fucking know.
Cleaned! Again. Are you just trying to feed him? Alrighty. Get another wormy.
Feed me. The fuck?
She said I wanted to feed me. The fuck? Get him, get him, get him, get him! Oh, you're stuck. Damn it. Why does this keep happening? Oh, no, he's on, he's on, he's on, he's on, he's on. Get him, he's a big one. I thought it was a snag. Get his ass. Yeah. Oh, your first fish. Wow. Look at this. Oh. You want to unhook him?
I don't know.
Okay, here. Hold him by the lip.
Like this?
Like this. The bottom lip. Don't worry. You're good. Hold it firmly. Just like me. Yep. Use your thumb though. Yeah. And then grab the hook. And then slowly thread it out. You don't have to go harder than that. Come on, use your strength. Come on.
Oh, I'm hurting it.
No, you're not. Nice! Hold that up. Let's take a picture of your first ever fish. No way.
Baby one.
That's so cute. Nice. Throw her back. Whee! Oh! Oh, I thought you were gonna hit it on the rock. Nice. First ever. And you still got your beach. Slay queen. Okay. Let's get back out there.
Now I want a bigger one.
Oh, I just landed on a fish. Okay, come closer. You're gonna get a bite real soon. So be ready. Okay. Nice! That was good. You did that perfect. Oh, you got one! Oh, that's a big one too! Oh shoot! I was just going to go take a pee. Look at this one! That's a nice white perch. Oh damn, grab him. By the lip. Grab him by the lip. Remember how we did it? Yeah. Here. Oh damn. Oh damn. Ooh, okay. Kind of shredded his mouth a little bit there.
Uh-oh.
That's okay, grab him by the lip.
It's here.
Here. There you go. Grab him firm. Good. Look at that. Hold him up, hold him to the camera. Yeah, there you go. Alright. Here, I'll take the rod. Probably from like a previous injury, but that's okay. It's a nice one. Throw him back. Woo! Nice. Of course you catch one while I'm peeing. So yeah, don't mind the hair guys, but I was literally peeing behind that tree right there, and all by herself, she went and caught one. So, see if you can do it again. Hot shot. Oh, oh, get him, get him, get him. Oh, you got him. You got him. Yeah, swing him up. A bluegill, third species of the day. Nice. Look how pretty he is. Oh yeah. You got him in like the side of the eye?
No.
She feels bad. Oh man. Look how pretty these ones are. Got some nice colors. Here, hold him. His mouth is not that big, but you can fit your little finger in there. Yep. Hold it firm. Yep. Let's get a picture of that. First bluegill.
He's sipping.
Hold him. Hold him. Smile. At least look like you're enjoying it. Nice. Alright, going back. It's a nice size one too.
I'm gonna drop.
Oh! You gotta throw him farther.
I couldn't, it was gonna slip.
You're gonna give him all CTE. Okay. You're gonna have to start rebaiting your own hooks. Pretty soon you'll be fishing without me.
No, never.
I just come here to see you by yourself. I'm like, what are you doing here? Okay. Let's give her a little hook. Hook to her. That was a terrible cast. I think you probably could have done a better cast than me. Okay. Well, today's panning out to be a pretty good day. Started off slow. We're sitting there with nothing on the other side there. Come to this side, start dialing it. Get him, get him. Yeah. Another bluegill. Her fourth ever fish. Nice. Nice, boo. What do you think? Pretty color. Look how it's like nice and green. And it's got that like black dot. Okay. Oh, you got robbed on the top hook. Okay, we'll rebait ya. Get back out there. Let's fix this worm. Well, she caught her first fish ever, and then her freaking second fish ever, third fish and fourth fish. I think she has 5 actually. I don't know, we lost count. Yeah, today's panning out to be pretty good. She's having tons of fun, just sitting under this bridge here. And that sketchy walk was actually worth it because we seem to have found a nice little pocket where all these fish are sitting, feeding. Hopefully we can get into some big catfish, like a bigger one, like maybe a 10-pounder. I don't know what she's gonna do if she gets a big one, to be honest. Like these little ones, they're easy to catch, but the bigger ones are fun because they pull hard. They pull really hard. Yeah, it's a nice day today. Beautiful weather. We're staying away from the sun under this bridge, nice and shade. And having a good old time, vibing out. I think we're gonna fish for another 30 minutes here. See if we can't get a bigger one. We were gonna keep them, but we had nothing to keep them in. We should have brought a bucket. But yeah. Pretty good day so far. Alright guys, that is going to wrap today's episode. We had lots of fun catching these fish in this small river under this bridge. Caught your first fish. How do you feel? She said pretty good. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Appreciate you guys' time. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and yeah, bring the girls out fishing. It's a good time, man. So catch you guys on the next episode.